Okay, how about a quick unboxing video before I go charge these up for you guys? Here's the case. I have opened it just to unwrap the charger for you guys and open the little tool kit that comes with it. There's some Allen wrenches in there and some lubricant and things. How you charge your batteries. That was wrapped up. I unwrapped it for you real quick. That's how you charge your batteries. You can charge 3 at the same time. You get 2 in the kit. And that is how you charge the batteries. I'll do a better video later, but for now, it's just a quick unboxing. And the KP295s, I love how balanced this feels. So it's not real heavy once the battery's on the back, and it's not heavy on the front. It's perfectly balanced. And I love the handle because I have small hands, but I think guys with large hands, I know you're going to love this too. So there's the KP295s, guys. I am so excited. Okay, I'm going to go charge this and go ahead and show you guys today how well these work in my own yard. So if you are on the fence about ordering these, I will tell you, it just makes your life easier. Why wouldn't you make your life easier? So you need to go ahead and order a set. Mine just arrived. It took 2 days to get here once the order was placed, so I'm very excited.